2 funud o'r gêm wedi chwarae. Mae yna dafliad hir yn mynd i ddod fan hyn gan Aaron Williams. Prawf i amddiffyn y tîm cartra. Davies o dan i hi ar cyfle. Ar bel yng nghefn y rhwyd. Ac yn hawlio'r gol mae Jordan Davies. Wel, smonach amddiffynol gan derwyddon cefn. Y dechrau gweitha posib i'r tîm cartra. Williams ar tafliad a Disney. Mae'n cyfle i gael y bel i fewn i'r cwrt. Williams, mae o'n gyflym heibio i Charlie Edge. Y bel at yr ochr bell yn edrych am George Horan. Y capten i fyny o'r cefn. Callum Morris. 4 yn y cwrt yn disgwyl am y creisiad yma. Aaron Williams. Williams heibio i Benwyn o creisiad hyfryd gan Williams. Rhaid pwysau ar y golwr. Horan oedd yna. A do'na ddim trosedd o gwbl ar y golwr. Smonach gan Michael Jones. Mae yna drafodaeth a fynd rhwng Mr Jenkins o nag oes wir. Doedd y gol ddim yn cael ei chaniatau. Maen nhw wedi penderfynu bod yna gam sefyll yna. Wel, bydd tîm rheoli Cei Conna ddim yn hapus a deud y llia. Penderfyniad dadleuol iawn hwnna. 2 funud o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Williams, tafliad anferthol unwaith eto. Horan ar piniad yn erbyn y trawst. O, dihangfa i'r derwyddon. A'r capten bron a dyblu mantais Cei Conna. 9 munud o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Aaron Williams ar tafliad hir. Horan! Mi darodd o'r trawst yn gynharach. Dim problem ar yr achlysur yma. A'r capten yn cael ei heiddiant. Mullen. Aaron Edwards, pas hyfryd. Fy'n y gyfle fan hyn. Horan! O, diarmi. George Horan. O, mae o'n gwybod yn iawn. Oedd hwnna yn drydydd gol ar blat.
I think always in end games when there's a little bit of nervousness and you've got to get that second goal and then you can put the game to bed. We got the second goal, and it's something that I'm really unhappy about. I'm really unhappy about, and I'm going to have to speak to somebody about it because I can't accept it at my football club, what happened there in that incident there. I'm not going to elaborate on it, but it will definitely need to be looked at because I need an explanation.
It's a shame to be undone by 2 set plays in the end, although they had chances and they were the better team. I thought when you look at it on a whole, if you sort of switched on a little bit more, especially the first one, it's a shame to be done by 2 long throws, but we haven't had enough time to work on set plays and things at the moment, but hopefully we'll get better at that.
Just weithio mae'n anodd ar ôl ewr ofyn bach o hangover ti'n galw o, ond da ni gorau chwarae'n well na hynny, ti'n bod mwy clinigol, ond da ni'n hapus cael y 3 pwynt a symud ymlaen am wythnos nesaf.
No big man up front, dare I say. Do you have to play a different type of game?
Well, we can't play a different kind of game because I've got 7, 8, 9 players in there who were brilliant on a training session with little keep balls and moving it around and little rotations and whatever they call it nowadays, rondos and all that nonsense. And then it comes to a match and we can't work our way through it, so it's obviously we need to look at that. But I'm also mindful that I got 9 players missing tonight. And whatever happened tonight, I'm never going to use that as an excuse because I got 11 players on the pitch that I expect to go and win the game. But when you've got 9 first team players missing tonight and you've got really 1 recognised sub, and he's not a recognised sub, Tom Bibby's just come in this season, that's your first sub to go to, you're really light.
Well, let's not take anything away that we finished rock bottom last season as a club, and I think 14 points, I might be wrong, it's around that figure, so anything, if we can stay out the relegation zone and we can build on that, then that's a huge achievement. But loads of positives tonight, and I've got to give the players massive praise for the work ethic and the way they dug in.
TNS have thrown the financial kitchen sink at it. You broke the transfer record 3 times since Christmas. and you've completely restructured your wage structure to bring in players from Scottish Championship and that. So they're firm favourites. You know, Bala are strengthened. The league has got strengthened right through. And what we have to make sure is that in every game we come into, like tonight, when we've got one recognised sub, and I've got a couple of lads who shouldn't have played tonight, but I pulled them off the injury, the medical table to come and play when they haven't trained for 10 days, and Tom Moore, we found a way to win.